Hey, Philip Homister here, and welcome to my Watch Me Edit portrait series. I've been wanting to do this series for a long time now, just to show you guys my process in doing portraits. And I have 6 individual shots that we're going to work on. Some of them are severely underexposed. I wanted to include those to show you guys how I can recover those, and I didn't include these to show that it's okay to shoot underexposed. That's not the intentions here. It's more or less how to show you how to correct that so you don't lose the image. A lot of people, especially if you shoot this in JPEG that underexposed, you just throw them away. I'm wanting to include these to show you how important it is to shoot in RAW, and how if you made some sort of mistake or you ended up in a situation where it's just so incredibly dark that you end up with severely underexposed photos. I want to show you guys how you can keep those photos and recover them, and people won't even notice unless you show them the before and after photos. Another reason I want to do these portraits was to show you guys my frequency separation retouching methods. I don't use this on all the photos, but where I do use them, it's very helpful. I use these usually on my senior sessions with the teenage girls. Not so much the teenage guys, but the girls really like it. And I don't really use it on kids either because their faces are already perfect. But when it's needed, it's very helpful, and so I wanted to show you guys that. So with that, let's go ahead and dive in and get started.